Our topic for this video is going to be seagoing societies of the Pacific realm. How was the Pacific realm populated? Well, several thousand years ago, ancient seafarers set sail from Southeast Asia, China, and Taiwan. They traveled and settled the Pacific Islands. How did they travel? The islanders built outrigger canoes to travel. Outrigger canoes are canoes with floats attached to the side. The early islanders were experts at navigation, or the process of determining locations and routes. How did they track their routes? They used star patterns to map their courses, and they even studied the flight patterns of birds to know exactly where the islands were at. The early islanders also created stick charts to mark where the islands were at and to track the ocean currents. An example of a stick chart can be seen in the lower left-hand corner of your screen. What were their food sources like? On the large islands, they practiced advanced farming methods, whereas on the smaller islands, they relied on fishing. Isolation. For the most part, seafaring societies remained isolated until the 1700s. Then, as more Europeans traveled to the area looking for wealth or to spread Christianity, their isolation became minimized. One of those Europeans who came to the Pacific realm was James Cook. He was a British navigator, and he was charting new territories. He mapped islands like New Zealand and the Cook Islands, which are actually named after him. So that is a very quick look at the early seagoing societies of the Pacific realm. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching.